Assalamualaikum and very good morning to our beloved lecturer, which is Sir Azwan and all my friends. My name is Maslan Minmada Ali, and today I will present about safety at the workplace. So, the first question is, explain the purpose of risk assessment in securing the health and the security of the employees. So, we can take a look at the first point, which is, it eliminates or reduces health and the security risks. According to United States Department of Labor, the effective controls to protect the workers from the workplace hazard is by help avoid injuries, illnesses, and incidents, and minimize or eliminate the safety and the health risks, which is it help the employees provide workers with safe and helpful working conditions. As we know, incidents may occur during the employees carrying out their work or while the equipment in operation or running. Therefore, the most effective way to improve safety performance is through the prevention of the incidents and through reducing uncertainties before accidents happen. It is stated by the Cook 1997 and Gambatis et al. 2008. By having or improving the safety performance, this makes the safety risk analysis the foundation upon which safety management is built, and it also makes the risk assessment a crucial task in the safety management system. Okay, let's move to the second point, which is it will help to communicate health and safety information to the workers. According to the Health and Safety Executive, to achieve success in health and safety management, there needs to be effective communication up and down and across the organization. According to the Health and Safety Executive also, it states that organizations need to communicate information to their workers on the risk to their health and the safety identified in the risk assessment, and the preventive and the protective measures necessary to control risks. According to PEN, an European Agency for Safety and Health at Work, it states that risk assessment will provide the foundation for the successful health and safety management, which is, it will be the key to reducing work-related accidents or incidents and occupational disease, which is, it will help to improve workplace health and safety as well as business performance. By having communication between them, it will make a strong safety culture. According to Beckmer-Hagen, it states that it is important to have a strong safety culture, which is, it will ensure both the organization and the employee achieve a high standard of safety in the workplace. So now we move to the third question, which is assess the strength and the limitation of having documentation of all workplace incidences. The strength of having documentation is documentation as the legal requirement. Documenting an incident is essential to reduce risk. For example, if we have good documentation of an employee's incidents and disciplines, it will help to establish that the employee's incidents happened in the workplace was not related to the negligence, but it based on fatigue, hazardous materials, or others. Without such documentation, an employee may have a much more difficult time proving about the incidents that happened. By having reporting and recording, it will tell about the serious incidents and the case of the disease. This means that it will help to identify where and how risks arise. It's also allow to target their work and provide an advice on how to avoid work that related to death, injuries, or accidental loss. Information that they get, it will be used for the risk assessment and help to develop solution to potential risks. Records also will help to prevent injuries and ill health and control costs from the accidental loss. According to Nakajima, it said that incidents reporting should be part of patient safety program, and suggest the using of a web-based incidents reporting system along with identify staff responsible for the incidents reporting. From this, it shows that documentation is very important since it helps to improve and support a safety culture. Hence, any employees that doing this documentation at the workplace, it will help to ensure the lessons are learned, and it's also lead to having a documentation. Okay, let's move to the next point, which is incidents and observations will make us aware. By documenting, it will provide a way to monitor potential problems. The documentation of these problems that repeating failures will be noticed and corrected before they develop to be more serious incidents. In order to make us aware about the incidents and the observations, the significance of the incidents reporting or the documentations from the workplace hazard, it is a continuous learning process. It is thus considered as one of the central elements in the management of the workplace health and safety. It is stated by the Health and Security Executive. From this, it enables the organizations to learn lessons from an incident by analyzing its underlying factors so that the similar incidents may be prevented in the future. According to the Henrich, it states the underlying causes for incidents which result in near-miss occurrences and lead to more serious consequences such as fatalities and injuries are similar. Therefore, analyzing the cause of the near-miss occurrences have equally significant benefits. This supported by the rate and the Van der Schaaf, which is they highlighted as the number of the workplace incidents such as fatalities and injuries are usually low. Since it is important to investigate the near-miss incidents with the same favor. The greater number of near-miss incidents will give the opportunity to get a more good result and also give opportunity to investigate the root causes or the great number of the cases or incidents that happen. To ensure the awareness of the incidents, the Royal College of Obstetricians and Gynecologists, it stated that the staff should be aware of the incidents reporting process along with an effective feedback system to optimize the incidents reporting.